beautiful good morning to my dear children. Welcome back to Maths online class. Today we will discuss a new topic, that is number system. This number system is used to be able to read large numbers without difficulty. To be able to read large numbers without difficulty. Why? These numbers divided into groups, periods, places. In this topic, we will discuss Indian place value system, international place value system. Already we discussed Google Meet class. Once again, we will discuss. Everyone open your textbook page number 82. Indian number system called as Hindu-Arabic system. The Indian number system or Hindu-Arabic system. Okay. The Indian number system. Indian number system place value chart. This is the Indian number system place value chart. In this chart, periods, places, short form of the places. Here given this chart, periods, places, short form of the places. Look here children. Ones, the places are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Okay, here ones, tens, hundreds. These three places are one period, that is ones period. Ones, tens, hundreds. These three places are ones period. Next, thousands, 10,000s. These two periods are thousands period. These two thousands period. Next, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Lakhs, 10 lakhs. These two places are lakhs period. These two places are lakhs period. Next, crores, 10 crores. These two places are crores period. Okay. How many periods are there? Ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. Okay. Next, short form of these places are ones. Ones short form is O. Tens short form is T. 100 short form is H. Thousands short form is TH. 10,000s TH. Lakhs L. 10,000s means 10T. Thousands TH. So 10TH. Lakhs L. 10 lakhs TL. Crores C. 10 crores TC. This like write this short forms. Okay. Next, how to keep commas in Indian system. Let us learn how to put commas in Indian system. We put commas between each period. Here periods ones, thousands, lakhs, crores periods there no. Between commas each period. First period is having three places. After one comma. Next period having two places. Comma. Next period comma, that like. Okay. Periods wise we have to keep commas. First period only having three places. Remaining all two places is there. This like we have to put commas in Indian place value system. Indian number system. Indian number system. For example, here given number 2735368. 2735368. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits are there. Okay, 7 digits are there. How to group this number? How to grouping this number? How to keep commas this number? Okay, first look here. First period. Ones, tens, 100 first period. This is one group. Thousands, 10,000, this is thousands group. lakhs, 10 lakhs is lakhs period. Okay, ones period, thousands period, lakhs period. Okay, this number after grouping keep commas. Very easy nana. First 3 digit after keep comma, then next period word thousands, 10,000s after keep one comma. Okay, this number read as 27 lakhs 35,368. 27 lakhs 35,368. Second one is international system. International system, international number system or western system. International system. In international number system, how place value chart is there? Now check it. In this chart also periods, places, short form of places is there. In this chart also periods, places, short form of the places. Places are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. These places are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. In Indian system, international system, 10 ones to 10,000s equal nana. ఇండియన్ సిస్టంలో ఇంటర్నేషనల్ సిస్టంలో 1 నుంచి 10,000 వరకు ఈక్వల్గా ఉంటాయి, తర్వాత చేంజ్ అవుతాయి. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ 10,000s ఆఫ్టర్ 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. This international system using worldwide nana. How to put commas in this international chart? Let us learn. Before going that, periods are ones, thousands, millions. 3 periods only here. Ones, thousands, millions. Ones, tens, hundreds. First 3, right from the first 3. First 3 are ones period. Next thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s are thousands period. Millions, 10 millions are millions period. What periods are there in this chart? Ones period, thousands period, millions period. Is it clear everybody? Ones, tens, hundreds, 1 period. Thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, 1 period. Millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, 1 period. How to put commas in this? First period after keep 1 comma. Next period after keep 1 comma. Here 3 places after keep 1 comma. Okay, in international system every 3 digit after keep 1 comma. These short forms of these periods or places are ones of tens, T, hundreds, H, thousands, TH, 10,000s, 10TH, 100,000, HTH, millions, M, 10 millions, TM, 100 millions, HM. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million, 100 million. In international number system, every 3 digit after keep 1 comma. Okay. Here one number given for us, that is 2735368. How many digits are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digit number. How to grouping this number? First, in this international system, every 3 digit after keep 1 comma. No? Ones, tens, hundreds. That is ones period. Thousands, 10,000s, 100,000 after 1 period. Next, millions. Okay. Every 3 digit after keep 1 comma. Remember this nana. In international system only. First, this is ones period. This is thousands period. Millions period. Okay. How to read this number? 2 735,368. Okay, once again, 2,735,368. In Indian system comparison, Indian system, 10 ones equal to 110, 10 tens equal to 100, 10 into 10, 10 into 1, 110, 10 ones are 10, no, so 110, 10 tens, 10 into 10, how much? 10 tens are 100, 100, 10 tens are 100, 10 hundreds, 10 into 100. Here 1 0, 2 0, 3 zeros, no? So 1000. 10 hundreds are 1000. 10 thousands are 1 10,000. 10 10,000s are 1 lakh. 10 lakhs are 1 10 lakh. Okay? 10 10 lakhs 1 crore. Okay? 10 ones is equal to 110. 10 tens equal to 100. 10 hundreds equal to 1000. 10 thousands equal to 1 10,000. 10 10,000s equal to 1 lakh. 10 lakhs equal to 1 10 lakh. 10 10 lakhs equal to 1 crore. Next, international system. 10 100 tens equal to 1000. 100 tens means 100 into 10. Okay, is equal to 1000. 100 thousands, 100 into 1000. How many zeros totally? 5. So 100,000. 100,000 is equal to 100,000. 10 lakhs equal to 1 million. 100 lakhs equal to 110 millions. This like compare international system and Indian system, Nana. Put the commas, write the number names in Indian system. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit given, 6 digit number given. First, put the commas given number. Indian system 5, 3, 2, 6, 5, 1. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. Indian system kada. This is Indian system, no? So that's why lakhs. After 100 digit from the right. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. After keep comma. Write the number name. 5 lakh. 5 lakh. 5 lakh. 32,000. 32,600 651. 51. Okay, 5,32,651. 1 lakh. ONE1 LAKH lakh. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh. Okay, thousands, 10,000s, lakh. Next, 835207. This is also 6 digit number. This is also 6 digit number. First from the right 3 digit after keep 1 comma. Next 10,000s place after keep 1 comma. So 18 lakhs place now. 8 lakhs. Write this number name as 8 lakhs. 8 lakhs. 35,000. 35,000. 35,000. 207. 207. 207. Next, fourth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also 6-digit number. 9, 7, 8, 0, 3, 2. 9, 7, 8, 0, 3, 2. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. First from the right, after 3 digits, keep comma. Next, 1000, 10,000 after, keep 1 comma. Okay? This number read as 9 lakhs 78,000 and 32. THIRTY 30, TWO 32. 9,78,032. Okay? First one is 5,32,651. Second one is 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Third one is 8,35,207. Fourth one is 9,78,032. Fifth one, write in your homework book, ma. Number 2, write the numbers in the Indian system using commas. Write the numbers. Here number name given. Write the numbers using commas. Indian system. Using commas with Indian system. 5,60,728. 5,60,728. 5,60,728. 3,60,006. Okay, 3 lakh after 60,000. 3,60,006. Okay, 3,60,006. Not there tens, hundreds, thousands number, any number, only 10,000s place only there, no. So remaining these 3 places keep zeros, nana. 5,66,090. 5,66,090. 5,66,090. Okay, 5,66,090. 7,85,303. 7,85,303. Okay, 7,85,303. 303. Next, 45,33,197. 45,33,197. 45,33,197. In lakhs place 45 is there, no? 45 lakhs 33,197. 100 place after keep 1 comma. Thousands, 10,000 after keep 1 comma. Next, lakhs also there, no? Once again I will read. 5,60,728. 3,60,006. 3,60,006. 3,60,006. 5,66,090. 7,85,303. 45,33,197. 45 33,197. Next, Roman number 3. Put the commas and write the number name in international system. International system. Write the given number in international system. First, put the commas. 9, 8, 7, 1, 0, 2, 3. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million. This is international system, no? That's why 10,000 after 100,000, million. After 100 digit, keep comma. Next, after 100,000 digit, keep 1 comma. Every 3 digit after keep 1 comma. In this system, international system, every 3 digit after keep 1 comma. Write this number name as 9. Which place is 9? Millions place. So, 9 million, 871,000 and 23. Okay, 9,871,023. Next, second one. 499,301. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million. This is international system. Every 3 digit after keep 1 comma. Okay. This number read as 4 million, 999,000 99,000 300 and 1. 4,999,301. Next, third one. 678,3512. This is 7 digit number. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million. Okay, this number write as 6 million, 783,000 783,000 783,000 512 500 and 12. 6,783,512. Every 3 digit after keep comma. Okay, fourth one. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000. Okay, this is 6 digit number. 3 digit after keep comma. This number write as, this number name write as 476,000. Not their millions, no. That's why 476,000. 76,000. 76,000. 415, comma 415. 15. Okay, 415. 476,415. Once again, 9,871,023. First one is 9,871,023. Second one is 4,999,301. Third one is 6,783,512. Fourth one, 476,415. This is international system, Nana. Everyone write your textbook. Write your textbook. Fifth one is homework. Fourth Roman, write the numbers in the international system using commas. This is Indian system. This is international system. Here given number names. Write the numbers using international system. 628,000, 628,492. 628,000. 628,492. 492. Okay, 628,492. 105,248. 105. 105,248. Okay, 248. Look here children, in international system, every 3 digit after keep 1 comma. Okay, next 7,634,425. 7 million. 634,000. 634,000. 425. 425. 425. Next, 1 million and 1. 1 million. 1 million. Look here children, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million. So this number read as 1 million 1. 10 million. This is 1 million, no? 10 million. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Okay, once again I will read. 628,492. 92. 628,492. This is international system, Nana. So every 3 digit after keep 1 comma. Next one 105,248. 7,634,405. 1,000,000 1. 1,000,000 and 1. 10 millions. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million. How many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 places are there. 10 millions. Okay, this like you have to write in your textbook, Nana. Fifth one. How many thousands make a million? 1,000 thousands make a million. 1,000 thousands. 1,000 thousands make a million. How many lakhs make a million? How many lakhs make a million? 10 lakhs make a million. How many 10,000s make a million? 100. 10,100,000s make a million. 10,100,000s make a million. Everyone write this all in your textbook. Okay? This is homework and this one is homework.